This universe is infinite. It keeps on captivating our imagination with its boundless space. Similarly, there is a place on the earth which is filled with endless joy and abundant love, where every wish comes true. It's time you open your eyes to a creation that defines infinity on the urban landscape. Regency Anantam. Come, it's time to live without boundaries in the most coveted address under the sky. Arrive into the world that underlines your presence. Located right in the heart of Dombivli, it's one of its kind landmark project on Dombivli map of infrastructure. Regency Anantam stands majestic amidst the tranquil, serene environment, drawing all the attention from all the four directions. Regency Anantam opens to wide roads enveloping project from all sides. Regency Anantam stands out because of its immediate access to schools, colleges, hospitals and famous shopping destinations. This central location allows proximity to major destinations like Thane, Navi Mumbai and Bhiwandi. The grand entrance of Regency Anantam is just the starting point of journey into a world of luxury. As you enter, your attention is drawn to an intrinsically carved temple exclusively designed for the Regency Anantam residents. The next main focal point of spectacular entrance is the mist emerging from rock garden. Step into the lavishly designed lobby with a sparkling reception area and feel privileged. An abode of luxury, Regency Anantam's air-conditioned homes greet you with a spacious living room and sun decks opening to the sky. The radiant, naturally ventilated rooms, enhanced by the full-height windows, create a fresh ambience and help nature a pleasant mood throughout the day. A kitchen that speaks for its aesthetic design makes even more sense as you discover the prodigious space inside. Regency Anantam houses ultra-spacious, comfortable bedrooms with sun decks steeped in luxury and refinement. Enjoy a breath of fresh air by stepping out onto your private sun deck and soak into the panoramic views of lush green podium gardens. No matter where your eyes lead you, you will always find Regency Anantam at its full bloom. A unique reflexology pathway makes sure that you stay active and young at heart. The well-paved jogging track and vast open landscaped garden provides ample space for everyone. Vast open podium lawn gives exclusive access to its residents to a plethora of health, sports, entertainment, and lifestyle amenities. The lush green landscape garden provides plenty of play area with swings, slides, and sandpits. Spend sunny Sunday afternoons reading a book, or just lie around stargazing with that special someone on the lush green lawns. Regency Anantam is where one arrives to embark on the pinnacle of urban living. Truly, then, life without boundaries begins here. Regency Anantam offers best-in-class sporting and recreation facilities for its owners like tennis court, cycling track, skating area, basketball court, and cricket court. Regency Anantam instantly opens up a cheerful environment for all its young residents to keep them at their feet. The specially created children play area, boasting some of the unique play equipment for children, reflects Regency Anantam passion to design spaces that foster growth and creativity. Spend quality time with your friends and family at Regency Anantam's sprawling clubhouse. Searching for the perfect place to throw that poolside party? Just dive into the Regency Anantam big swimming pool, which boasts unique shower jets and waterfall screens to pamper your senses. Cool out and soothe your day away at Regency Anantam Clubhouse. Fitness is an integral part of Regency Anantam lifestyle. The state-of-the-art floating gymnasium, complete with modern training facilities, ensure you stay fit and the aura of health never fades out. Clubhouse also offers wide wrap-around jogging track and cycling track for those fitness enthusiasts, as well as outdoor exercising hotspots. Regency Anantam Clubhouse is a signature of luxury living. As the day retires, Regency Anantam Clubhouse becomes an ultimate escape and offers a resort-like ambience. As you step into the large premises of this beautiful edifice, extravagant lobby welcomes you. Enjoy a family gathering with vistas of grandeur at Regency Anantam's Community Hall. Improve your skin and well-being at the Modern Beauty Salon. Relax, unwind, and pamper yourself with aromatic massages for recharge in the warmth of steam and sauna facilities. Connect with your inner being in the ecstatic yoga room. crush room with its unique toy collection like Lego and doll houses. Get lost in the world of books at well-stocked library. Tap into the musical talent at Music Room. Indoor playroom is a source of immense fun. Pick up acoustic or play table tennis. Groove and move to the tune of Zumba steps at the aerobic center or tone your muscles at the well-equipped ladies and gents gym. Enjoy your heart out at the full-size squash court and badminton court at Regency Anantam Clubhouse. Grab your popcorn and catch your favorite flick in the theatre room. Gaming zone with golf simulator, foosball, air hockey, and cricket simulator. Get thrilled with Regency Anantam 12D Theatre. Head to Regency Anantam, uniquely designed cafeteria which offers spacious indoor and outdoor seating overlooking the pool and the party lawn. Get those midnight dips on hot summer and soothe yourself. Get refreshed by multiple streams of water. Come to the Regency Clubhouse to sweat, rejuvenate, and connect. Lifestyle worth living. City living at its best. Regency Anantam.